Unlock a world of smarter online shopping with Clearpay. Ever wished you could snag that item you love right now and pay for it later, without the stress? Clearpay makes it a reality by splitting your purchase into 4 interest-free installments today. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Clearpay for your next online buy. First things first, find a store that accepts Clearpay. Many of your favorite retailers, from fashion boutiques to electronics stores, have partnered with them. Look for the Clearpay logo on their website, usually near the payment options or product descriptions. Once you've found your perfect item, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout as usual on the payment page. You'll see Clearpay as one of the available payment methods. Go ahead and select it. This is where the magic happens. Clearpay will present you with a clear breakdown of your payment schedule. You'll typically pay a portion upfront, and the remaining balance will be divided into 3 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. No interest will be charged if you pay on time. Next, you'll be prompted to create a Clearpay account or log in if you already have one. This usually involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and mobile number. It's a quick and secure process. After you've confirmed your details and payment schedule, simply click to complete your purchase. Your order will be processed by the retailer, and you can track your Clearpay payments and manage your account easily through the Clearpay app or website. And just like that, you've successfully used Clearpay for your online shopping. Enjoy your new purchase now and pay in convenient installments. It's a fantastic way to make your favorite items more accessible and budget-friendly. Happy shopping!